Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring your Nest Hub is on the same Wi-Fi and tied to your Google account. This makes voice control and casting work. Once done, open the Google Home app to confirm the device name and that firmware is up to date. This avoids connection surprises. Then say a short, specific command. Hey Google, play YouTube on device name. This step initiates the app. You're telling the hub both what to play and where, which speeds control and reduces confusion. Once YouTube is active, control becomes a mix of voice and touch because each has strengths. Say the exact title or keywords to find a video fast. Google's voice search handles natural phrases, which is why being specific helps. Make use of the touch screen to pause, scrub the timeline, or open related videos when you want visual control. Alternatively, cast from your phone by tapping the cast icon in the YouTube app and selecting the hub. This preserves playlists and queue order for longer sessions. To end your session, say Hey Google, stop, or tap the X. Simple closure prevents background activity and saves bandwidth. If playback fails, reboot the Nest Hub and check your internet. Restarting often clears temporary network or app glitches. Make sure YouTube service isn't restricted by parental controls. If casting or voice search still fails, relink your Google account in Google Home. This refreshes permissions and usually restores full YouTube functionality. That single troubleshooting tip, relinking, fixes most lingering account or permission problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.